In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps needed to permanently delete your Netlify account. Sometimes projects move on, or you simply want to clean up your digital footprint, and Netlify makes the process straightforward even if the option is tucked away. To start, you need to log in to your Netlify dashboard. Once you are on the main landing page, look toward the top right corner where your profile avatar is located. Click on that small circular image to open the drawdown menu, and then select the option labeled User Settings. This will take you to your personal configuration page where you can manage your identity and preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, make sure you are under the Profile tab, which is usually the default view. From here, look for the button labeled Edit Profile and click it to unlock the modification settings. Now, you will need to scroll all the way down to the absolute bottom of the page. Netlify places the most serious account actions at the very end to prevent accidental clicks. In the final section, you will see a prominent red button that says Delete Account. Before you click this, please remember that this action is irreversible and will remove all of your sites, domains, and configurations associated with your identity. If you are certain you want to proceed, click that red button and follow any final confirmation prompts that appear on your screen. Once the process is finished, your account will be closed and you will be logged out automatically. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, please consider liking the video.